Did you know those iconic blue mailboxes are more than just postal drop spots? They are at the center of some major courtroom drama. Behind every mailbox is a legal battle you have probably never heard of. And it impacts more than just your postage. Let's break down a few key cases. First up, Groff versus DeJoy. Gerald Groff, a postal worker, refused to work Sundays for religious reasons. USPS said no and he quit. The Supreme Court said employers cannot deny religious accommodations unless it causes substantial hardship. That is a big deal for workers everywhere. Next, Alan versus USPS. A long-time employee said age discrimination and retaliation were baked into her workplace experience. The court allowed parts of her case to move forward, a win for older federal workers, and a reminder that discrimination claims do not expire quietly. Now Dolan versus USPS. Someone tripped over mail on her porch and tried to sue. The Supreme Court said no. The government is immune from liability in routine deliveries. A win for USPS, but it set the bar high for holding federal agencies accountable. Finally, Lara G versus USPS. This disability discrimination case ended in a six-figure judgment and a reopened investigation by the EEOC. Even federal workers can hold their employers accountable, and this case proved it. So why does this matter? Because these cases define how our postal system intersects with civil rights, workplace protections, and government accountability. Behind every mailbox is a story, not just of what gets delivered, but of who gets heard. Like this? If you found this information helpful and inspiring, do not keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. Smash that like button, subscribe and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at 99rights_online for more legal quickies. Catch you later. And remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay empowered, and keep fighting for what is right. See you next time.